In my search for the secrets of flute playing, I've surveyed around the planet only to come up short. But recently, I heard rumors of something that I may have overlooked. Only ever slightly documented in photographs, an external device that may prove to be the key to unlocking beautiful flute playing. What was this device? My search led me from dead end to dead end, until early one morning, I heard some flute playing, and so I followed it. What happens next may be one of the first documented accounts of what I call hula fluting. In the loneliest practice rooms, we find music playing. I stay back not to scare the flutist, and upon further inspection, something doesn't look right. The female flutist seems to be using a hula hoop to play her music. I have not seen such a thing used in this manner. It seems like the hulaing around one's waist produced a chain reaction with the hips, diaphragm, and lungs to make this sound that I can only describe as fluty? Could this be the secret? The answer I seeked? Only time can tell as I continue on this search for more like her and hula flutists. Hey everybody, I really hope you guys liked this video. So if you did, please hit that like button down below. Comment if you would like to ask us any questions, or maybe tell us if you do this, or do you have anything rather unusual that you do when you play the flute? Do you play in the dark? Do you play upside down? What do you do? Also follow us on Instagram, share your videos of you playing with hula hoop on Instagram, and follow us at The Flute Channel. And yeah, thanks guys so much for watching, and talk to you guys next time. See ya. Bye.